Is the latest Salt Lake County housing market update showing a market that's heating up again? Or is that just what we're seeing from a temporary spring bounce? Let's break down what's happening right now in the Utah real estate market trends 2026. Starting with inventory, Salt Lake County housing market update shows listings rising to about 12,566 homes statewide. That's about 8.7 year over year, giving buyers the most selection that they've had in years. Market new listings came in at 1,229 this week, continuing a strong spring listing trend. But here's where things get interesting. We had 997 homes go under contract, which is one of the strongest demand readings of the year. Sold listings also surged to 732 homes. Price reductions increased to 1,317, which tells us buyers still have negotiating power in many areas of the market. Average days on market dropped to 64, down significantly from the winter highs of the 70s and the 80s. So what does the Salt Lake County housing market update really mean? Utah's market is showing something very important right now. Demand is absorbing inventory surprisingly well. Inventory is up nearly 9%, but pending sales jumped 10.9% year over year, according to April metrics. That's a big reason that home prices in Salt Lake County have remained relatively stable. Median sales price statewide is now around $519,000, which is up 2.1% this year. Think about that. The average sales price statewide is up 2.1%. Everybody was predicting a crash. That did not happen. Even with all of the headwinds our economy has had and the housing market has had, such as high interest rates, the war tax, all kinds of different things that are going on, the increase in inflation, all of these different headwinds that the housing market has had. And in Utah, we're still seeing equity appreciation 2.1%. This isn't the frenzy market of 2021, but it's not collapsing. Homes that are priced correctly are moving. Buyers have more choices. Negotiation is back, but demand is still strong enough to support prices. And compared to many national markets where homes are sitting over 100 days, Salt Lake City, Utah really is still moving relatively quickly. Mortgage rates remain consistent. Rates are still sitting around the mid 6% range, but the good news is mortgage spreads have improved significantly. That's helping keep the rates below the critical 7% threshold that tends to slow housing dramatically. So the bottom line from the Salt Lake County housing market update this week is inventory is rising, demand is rising faster. Buyers have more leverage, and sellers still have strong opportunities if they price strategically. The spring market is active, balanced, and surprisingly resilient. If you want to know what's happening in the home prices in your area or your neighborhood specifically, drop your zip code below and I'll help you.